All right, let's break down a classic piece of code, the Fibonacci function.
You ever just stare at some code and have no clue what's going on? Yeah, let's fix that.
Okay, here's the code we're going to tackle. Looks a little dense, but trust me, it's pretty straightforward.
First up, this line just names our function Fibonacci and says it needs one input, called n.
That n is just you telling the function, hey, I want this many numbers in my sequence.
Next, we give it a starting point. Every Fibonacci sequence has to start with 0 and 1.
And now we get to the real engine of this thing, the loop. This is where the magic happens.
This for loop basically tells the code to just keep repeating the next step until the list is long enough.
And inside that loop is just one simple bit of math happening again and again.
All it does is take the last two numbers in the list, add them up, and tack the answer on the end.
Okay, theory's cool and all, but what does that actually look like when it's running?
You start with 0 and 1. Add them, you get 1. Then add 1 and 1, you get 2. See the pattern?
And once the loop is done, this last line just says, all right, send back the finished list.
So let's see what happens when we put it all together and ask for 8 numbers. We call our shiny new function and just give it the number 8.
And bam, there's our final result, the first 8 numbers of the Fibonacci sequence.
So quick recap, we defined it, gave it a start, looped it, and got our result. That's it.
So now you know how the code works, but the real question is, where does this pattern show up in nature? Crazy stuff.